Last week I did a video about dieting not being expensive, and I'm going to continue that theme this week and give you some examples of how cheap some meals can be. Well, as I said last week, I am definitely back in the zone. I've kicked this week in with another £2 weight loss, and yeah, I'm also getting a bit more proactive with the channel. I've put a couple of shorts up, one of them had over 1,000 views. Yeah, Mr. Beast, watch yourself, I'm coming to get you. All joking aside, that isn't why I do this channel. It's to do with keeping me accountable, and it's definitely working. I had a £3.5 weight loss reported last week. This week I'm reporting a £2 weight loss. That's £5.5 weight loss. But I'm still eating good food. I'm still eating enjoyable food. And we'll very quickly talk about my system. My system is I pre-lock about 1,200 calories planned for the next day. And usually breakfast and lunch are the same thing. Currently it's overnight oats. Lunch is chicken with pasta and a side salad. And a bowl of miso soup, because I bloody love miso soup. There we go, keeping to my theme of healthy meals can be cheap. There you go, there's a chicken, pasta and salad with some passata and a bowl of Japanese miso and tofu soup. Now the cost, pasta was 8p, the chicken was 49, the salad was 25p, the passata worked out at 7 pence and the miso soup sachets at 40p each. That kicks in at £1.19, 253 calories, 25 grams of protein. Eating healthy is cheap. And then evening meals usually planned at around about the 600-700 calorie mark. That puts me in with a prediction of 1,200, which everyone will say that is too low for you. Do you know what? I've never finished a day on 1,200 calories, or when I have, it's been because I'm tired and I want to go to bed. So that allows me some slipping off the rails. Some mornings I might go and have a cheeky Greggs. Some afternoons, because I'm driving back and forth to work at the moment, which is fatal because I go past a couple of shops, I might stop in and have a Eccles cake. I'm still going to fit in well within the calorie deficit. My target, according to MyFitnessPal, is 1,800 calories, which should be giving me a 400 to 500 a day calorie deficit. I'm not overthinking it. What I am overthinking is how cheap I can do this. This is going to sound really stupid. A lot of people say they can't afford healthy, good food when they're on a diet. Well, here's a funny thing. If you eat less, you're going to spend less. Or am I being thick here? So, I'm going to quickly show you a short that I put out on Sunday, which tells you how cheap my breakfast is. People think that eating healthy is expensive. And why wouldn't they? The UK diet industry is worth billions. But I'm here to tell you it's not. That was my breakfast, and it was overnight oats. That cost me 35 pence. I'm going to break that down for you. The low-fat Greek yogurt was 19 pence. The porridge oats were 3.6. And the frozen veg you throw in, kick in at 15 pence. Boom. Now, more importantly, that's only got 250 calories. It's really filling. And it's got 20 grams of protein. It's a great start to the day. And it probably costs less than a bowl of cornflakes. So stop believing that you can't afford to eat a healthy diet. It's a no-brainer. 30 odd pence. Keep an eye on my shorts, because every time I get one that looks cheap, I'm putting it up. And here's what I'm having for my dinner tonight. Well, here it is, my budget meal that actually kicks in at 580 calories and a massive 42 grams of protein. Crispy chili chicken, rice, mushrooms and katsu sauce. What's not to like? Now let's break down the cost of this bad boy. The chicken weighed in at 98 pence because it's only chicken thigh and I get it from Aldi where it's dirt cheap. The rice kicked in at 11 pence. The corn flour, etc., a few herbs and things, 10 pence. The curry sauce was 65p from your local Asian supermarket. That kicks in at £1.84. Well, let's face it, a nice looking, nice tasting, and ticks all the boxes for health. Oh, I forgot to mention there's some mushrooms in there as well. So, boom, you really cannot say you can't afford to go on a healthy eating diet.